Now, to a graph theorist, a graph is a bunch of points which may or may not be connected by lines, of which the Future Africa logo is a nice example. A traditional problem is to being able to distinguish between any two points, whether you choose any pair or you choose a pair of points when they are connected by a line. This can be done by a simple game of paint by numbers. We graph theorists love paint by numbers, however we have an ill understanding of the rules since we literally paint using the numbers. The amount of information needed to being able to distinguish between these points can drastically be reduced if one also incorporates the number of lines between a pair of points. How this is applied in the industry is in a forest one can have a network of detectors where each detector is represented by a point in the graph and two detectors are connected by a line when they communicate with one another. In a forest one would like to know when a fire breaks out, for which the detectors are there. One would need as few detectors as possible to being able to find a fire as soon as possible and pinpoint its location as precisely as possible. And one would also want to reduce the effect failure of one detector would have.